secure and fast is fastening our baggages on the special car he brought. Oh, you can't see it that well, but it's huge. Katja sitting in front. Children were wondering whether they need safety belts, but I told them it's Africa. Kids,
Yes.
do you have any seat belts?
No.
Why not? Because this is Africa. You don't need seat belts in Africa because everything is very safe in this country. Sneak peek. Hello.
Would you like me to smile?
Yeah, smile, please do. Oh well. What a trip. What a trip. Compared to Holland, this is chaotic. Wat
is
fun.
dan? Dan hoef je niet al die poepelgeintjes doen met die seatbelts.
Oh, but you have to hold on.
Daddy, look! I've got one, but there's nothing to put it in.
No worries. This is Africa again.
That's funny.
Okay. We're gonna try to find the kids. Shouldn't be really hard because if you listen well, you can hear them. And I see one of them. There. They're playing, they're having fun. It's really nice and warm here. The sun is shining. And I think they play police and villain. And I think Vanya is the policeman or policewoman. What are you, Vanya? Are you a policewoman? Are you a policewoman?
Yep.
And Dani is a villain?
Yeah, no, he's a police. Since a few seconds.
Oh,
No!
you swapped job. There you go.
I am the police commander.
And the kids can play outside here.
In other words, listen.
Oh, that's a lot of fun, the thing. With the tire. Oh well.